Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this little baby right here. All right, all you need is a binder. All right, you need scissors, some tape, maybe a ruler if you want to be exact, precise, and a chain if you want to hang it up on the wall. Okay, so you start by taking off the protector from the binder. Completely take it off. All right, it might not look very pretty. In fact, it might look something like this when you take it off, right? So go ahead and cut that off so it can be nice and presentable and look better. Cut this off and make it nice and clean. All right. After that, you are going to get the protector that you cut off. You could see when I cut it off, it didn't cut off nice and pretty, but it doesn't matter because you're not going to use that. And I did about 10.5 centimeters. Okay, 10.5 centimeters, 10.5 centimeters. You're going to cut the 2 long strips. Okay, cut the 2 long strips. Now when I place it onto my binder, I actually cut off some of the side, and I'll explain why. You're going to have your 2 long strips. I cut off some of the sides so you can have some binder piece here, because when we put the tape on it, we want the tape to touch the binder also. Okay, so make sure that you have some space with binder here and here. And then you'll notice that we have some space here because we're going to slide our rewards in there. Okay, now right now I don't have the sides done, so it should be like this. So the very first thing you do, get 2 long pieces of tape, put them right here. All right, now this protector ends about midway, so the tape is able to stick to the binder. All right, we need that tape to stick to the binder all around, so the protector stays in nice and tight. All right, after that, you're going to do the sides. Now, hopefully I can do this well. Obviously, I'm going to be doing it kind of quickly since we're doing it together, and I don't want to take too much of your time. So, in order for you to know how to do this, now if I were really trying to make this look pretty, I'd take my time on it, but it's okay. All right, so you should have the 2 on the side now. All right, now your protectors should be stuck in there. All right, they shouldn't be able to move or come out like that. Shouldn't happen. So you can either put more tape, or maybe I just didn't stick it down very well. Yeah, I didn't really put it on there tight. There we go. All right, make sure that your protectors are stuck in there. If you're not sure, just put some more tape, put another layer of tape on there, but they should be stuck in there. Okay? Simple, right? Now we're going to make this one, which is the same length as the sides. All right, let's see, it's about right here. Okay, this one, okay, and you have your first little pockets. How cute. And then you're going to make the 2 small ones, like these. Okay, 2 small ones, and that's it. We are almost done after that. Very simple. That one, and this one. No, that's not exactly where I'd want them, but it's all right. Like I said, I'm trying to do it fast. Like I wouldn't have that right there, but it's okay. So after you do that, you should have your little pockets. Now you want to make sure you kind of pull them out a little bit so your rewards can stick in there nice and easy. This tape part, honestly, it really just helps separate and makes it look a little clean and nice when you put them in. But if you don't put this tape here, and you just kind of leave it open like this one, usually the rewards will stay up. But I've noticed that with this, it helps it stay a little bit more sturdy because it's a little bit tighter. Whereas this, it's, you know, there's a long distance, so it's not as tight there. Yeah, after that, you can add a little message. Like I made this one that just says, "You are awesome." And if you want to put a reward in there, you don't want to be fighting with that paper. You don't want the reward to go behind the paper or anything crazy like that. So get a piece of tape, get a regular piece of tape and tape it down. Okay, so you're not fighting with the reward in there. See? I just put a little piece of tape to hold the paper down, and I would put another piece of tape over here too. All right, after that you put your chain, and I'll switch it out. Put your chain. Oh, how pretty! Yay! Let's see, I'll put Meg in there. Let's put Meg. There she is. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Didn't take me very long. All you didn't see me do is the cutting, really. That's it. All right, bye.